Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm talking about another single essential oil, and today we're talking about coffee. I have two different coffee essential oils. This one is from Revive, and this one is from Simply Earth. This is a 5 ml, this is a 10 ml. I'll go over pricing or maybe put it on the screen. It's a fairly inexpensive oil, has tons of different benefits. It's a unique oil. It's a really cool flavor, or not flavor, scent profile to add to blends. So let's talk about coffee. So there's two different ways, or at least the two oils that I have are extracted in two different ways. The Simply Earth coffee is extracted via CO2 extraction, and then the Revive is cold pressed from the beans, and both are from the beans of the coffee plant, and they both smell pretty similar. I'll just do a quick smell test though. Honestly, it smells kind of like a more stale cup of coffee. It's not just like a fresh cup of coffee, if you know what I mean, because it's not, but it's not like stale in a bad way. It's just like a medium roast. This one's a little bit sweeter. I don't know exactly why, just different beans. But it kind of smells like a pot of coffee. It smells like invigorating or energizing, just like if you were to smell a pot of coffee being made. I know some people kind of get tummy issues even if they just smell fresh coffee being made, let alone drinking coffee. But anyways, it could have that effect too, because it does smell the same as coffee. There are different benefits which are due to the different constituents in the oil. So it's energizing and uplifting, and be stimulating mentally, so helping with fatigue if you're feeling tired midday. Instead of making a cup of coffee, just diffuse coffee essential oil in your diffuser. You could also add it with some vanilla, and I'll go over more oils that it blends well with in a second, but adding coffee and vanilla to an inhaler like this and just smelling the essential oil like this would be super beneficial to use it in the way of energizing and uplifting too. The second way that we can use coffee essential oil, and this was in a Simply Earth video, and then it's also on Revive's website, is that it's great in skincare for helping elasticity and firmness and things like that. The same way, think of like grapefruit and juniper are good for skin. Maybe add it to your cellulite scrub or oil. And then the motion or act of actually doing the lymph massage is going to help, along with the other benefits of the essential oils. I haven't personally used it in skincare yet, but it's supposed to be great for anti-aging and for smoothing. Next is it's a grounding aroma, so it's rich and earthy, so it can help reduce feelings of stress and anxiety, and then it can also uplift and invigorate emotions, so helping with focus and clarity. And I just did a video on essential oils for ADD and ADHD to help focus, concentration, those kinds of oils, and this one could be added to that list as well to help with focus and clarity. Next, I have a bunch of recipes. So in this blog post, which I will link down below, all of the details will be there. But for diffuser recipes, there's a few: a morning wake up, a cozy cafe vibe, a focus and energy, and a warm winter blend. That one has some clove and ginger to get warm and spicy with your coffee. But coffee blends well with so many essential oils. So let's just jump to that. Actually, let's see. Then there's also a couple of DIY recipes. So a coffee body scrub, so like I mentioned before, to help with circulation and smoothing your skin. There's an anti-aging face serum recipe that also has frankincense, rose, coffee, and jojoba oil. Coffee scented candle. This is a great aroma essential oil, so it's great for making body soaps, or bar soaps, candles, any kind of DIY or maker type of products like that. So with some soy wax, mix some coffee, and again, you can do peppermint, vanilla, and coffee to make like a peppermint latte candle. There are so many different ways. Then we will talk about safety, and then I have the essential oils that blend well with coffee. So safety, always dilute essential oils before applying them to the skin. There is a dilution guide on my website. If you want, I'll add it to this blog post too. Just let me know. But usually stick between 1% to 5%. That's general. There's just different specifics. Whether you're using the essential oil for skincare, you want to stay on the lower end. But if you're using it on the rest of your body, you can go a little higher. Skin sensitivity, so make sure you do a patch test first. That's with all essential oils. You could have an adverse reaction just to the oil alone, even if it's diluted properly. It just depends on you and your skin and your sensitivity levels. Some more safety information, and this is coming from Simply Earth. They give an abundance of safety info on every single essential oil, but it is kid safe 10 plus, so make sure you dilute obviously, and 10 plus. Pregnancy safe, yes, but consult your doctor always. There are just different things like medications and sensitivities, so it's always important to talk to an from a therapist or your doctor, especially when pregnant and breastfeeding. Cat safe, no. Dog safe, yes. Sun safe, it's not phototoxic, so you're not going to get a skin sun reaction when you go out in the sun after using it on your skin. Dilution rate 5% or less, and then the shelf life, which I like, but it's for Simply Earth specific, just from the way it is, 3 years from the date of opening when kept under good proper storage. So out of direct sunlight, this isn't the best, so put it in a drawer, put it in a dark closet in a cute storage way, out of the light. And lastly, we have the essential oils that coffee essential oil blends well with. So if you are into making different blends, diffuser blends, rollers, perfumes even, these are the essential oils to look for to mix with: vanilla, cinnamon, clove, cardamom, sweet orange, peppermint, rosemary, and ginger. And that's just a small list too. Whatever you want to mix and try out, like trial and error too, works. If you have your essential oils, take all the lids off and kind of waft it in front of your nose like this. That's a good way to see if the essential oils are going to smell well together too. These are just some suggestions. And again, everything is in the blog post so that you can see it and copy and paste or whatever with the recipes as well. Let me know if you have any questions on coffee essential oil, and let me know what you're going to use it for. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.